Did you know that in Ireland, the Central Statistics Office, the General Register Office, and RIP all tally death numbers, but they do so using entirely different methods? It's an intriguing fact, isn't it? Before we delve deeper into this topic, it's crucial to remember that we're discussing the deaths of real people here. These are not just cold, hard numbers, but individuals who had their own stories, dreams, and loved ones. Each one of these tallies represents a loss that has deeply affected someone, somewhere. It's therefore important that we approach this topic with the utmost respect and sensitivity. So as we continue to explore the different methods of tallying death numbers in Ireland, let's keep in mind the gravity of the subject matter and approach it with the respect it truly deserves. Now, if we look at the Central Statistics Office, or CSO, they would mark someone's death according to the date it was registered rather than the actual date they passed away. This could result in a delay of several weeks, months, or even years due to the time it takes for the paperwork to be processed. On the other hand, the General Register Office, or GRO, would record someone's death based on the actual date they passed. So, in their records, the death would be listed on that November evening when they passed. Then we have RIP, a popular website that publishes death notices. Their tally often gives us a real-time picture of death numbers. So, someone's death will be included in the count as soon as his family or funeral home submits the notice, usually within a day or two of his passing. Now, you may be wondering, doesn't this mean that some deaths could be counted twice in RIP's data? Or that deaths of Irish citizens who pass away abroad are included? Well, that's a common misconception. Our website, IrelandExcessDeaths.com, only account for deaths once using the unique ID provided by the site. However, deaths from abroad are counted in the site's numbers, but we feel these numbers don't significantly impact the overall picture. So, as we see, each of these institutions has its unique way of recording the same event. These differences can lead to variances in the numbers, but it's important to understand why these variances occur. So data is a complex, colorful mosaic that requires careful interpretation. And the more we understand about how it's collected, the better we can interpret it. If you found this information useful, consider sharing this video with others who might find it interesting. After all, knowledge, like a good story, is best when it's shared. And remember, life, much like data, is all about understanding the nuances.